Well, let's have a look out front. So much dominance will be relying on these three men. Lautoka, he gets his first start of the year. Hitit and Koroe Drua either side of him. 25 carries between Vode and Otui Solia in 2024. The emphasis for the locking pair to really own that department. Huge battle, an inspirational skipper. He'll be leading from the front. Te Renalangi, Mira, and of course Wanga on that other side. A change at 9 this week. Koroi Voli, he comes in to partner up with Ravu La as the game drivers this evening. And in the midfield, another change. Michael Naitokani, he's handed the 12 jersey, pairing up with Yosefo Masi. And how about these back three? Absolutely dangerous. Ra Tuva and Ratuvai, Damanda, Drua Sese, and at fullback. And to the bench, there's plenty of size too, especially in the likes of Teriki Taveta. And there is big raps on the outside back, Daniela Rakuro.
Well, Chiefs coach Clayton McMillan has made 7 changes to his starting lineup after that loss to the Reds in Brisbane. Up front, Ruben O'Neill comes into the front row for George Dyer, joining Aidan Ross and Samasoni Taukiaho. Injury to Naitoa Akoi and an All Black rest week for Tupo Vai sees a new locking combo in the form of Manaki Selby Rickett and Jimmy Tupou. Caleb Boshier replaces Simon Parker on the open side, forming a loose trio with Sami Penifina and captain Luke Jacobson. Cortez Ratima and Damien McKenzie pair at 9 and 10 for the second straight week. Off the bench last week, Anton Leonard-Brown returns to midfield with Rameka Poihipi. Sean Stevenson back at fullback tonight. Daniel Rona shifting from midfield to the right wing. The dangerous Eteni Nanai Sotoro returns on the left. All Black Josh Lord in line to make his first appearance of the season, returning from injury off the bench alongside Taranaki teammate, the impressive Tom Florence. And a late change to Josh Jacob in at 22 for Josh Ioane. Let's get conditions sidelined up. Ben Castle.
Kia ora, Jeff. Tilofa Mills, no mai, haere mai ki te whānau. Welcome in, everybody. It's been a stunning day here in the Waikato region, and Waikato Stadium is no different this evening. Brilliant conditions welcome these teams. The pitch and also very, very good condition. Fiji Drua, they've won the toss, Jeff, and will kick off. Plenty of interest in this one.
They went back-to-back against the Crusaders in Lautoka last week for the first win of the season for the Fijian Drua, following up their historic win over the defending champions there last season. Well, Frank Lamani was outstanding last week in Lautoka. The Drua, though, without the experienced halfback tonight. Simeone Kurovoli steps into the number 9 jersey. The 25-year-old was brilliant for Fiji at last year's Rugby World Cup, en route to the quarterfinals for the first time. And if the Drua are to reach that stage of Super Rugby again this season, his rotation with Lomani at halfback will be crucial. I went down 25-19 in an absolute thriller against the Reds in Brisbane last week. Clayton McMillan said they have learned plenty of lessons as the Chiefs are back at home after their opening round win against the Crusaders at FMG Stadium, Hamilton. Zaya Armstrong Ravula getting us underway, and a good take in the air. Sami Penifina laying it back for Cortez Ratima. Sulami Dolokoto first opportunity at set piece and line out time, and it does fall on the side. Antonio Wanga. Slow ball to work with. Into the feet of the captain, Te Renalangi. Kurovoli. His 9th appearance tonight. And with 11 test matches to his name. Sends it high, McKenzie. Good contest for the ball. But it's the Fijian Drua through Yosefo Masi. He's going to have too much pace. And he scores the opening try.
An opportunist one as well. Naitokani, you can give him the big slap on the back because it was his teammate on the inside who chased it, came off a box kick, but it was the pressure on McKenzie.
Selby Rickard once more the target for the Chiefs. Now here it is for Rona. Busting through, getting a beautiful pass away for Caleb Boshier. And just like that, the Chiefs respond. Ratima looks away, open side. And dishes it away to Sami Penifina. There's Ratima and Luke Jacobson slicing through the gap. Rameka Poihipi. Ratima on the inside. That is a stunning try from the Chiefs. Damian McKenzie going in on defence with Tokiaho. Dorena Langi. Chiefs holding for the moment. Now Armstrong, Ravula. They're going to score another. Yes, they are. Yosefo Masi. He gets two. Ratima. And the Chiefs again. It's operated well. And I'll look for another penalty advantage. No, he'll get one too, but it gives Luke Jacobson the pat. Lovely ball away, just getting in behind Runa. 44. Like that, 47. Flags up again, and the Chiefs, well, they're taking one out of the Fijian Drua playbook as Manaki Selby Rickett has his locking partner with him. Samasoni Tokiaho waits, but they go to the right. McKenzie floats the ball away. Simply sensational. Daniel Runa. And the one-test All Black. And the Chiefs just 12 metres out. Rameka Poepi, he's been full of running. He gets them at the right end of the park again as Jacobson. Quick hands once more. This time, Samipita Fina. Oh, they've done it again out on the right.
Oh, what a finish from Ipeni Finau. Continuity from the Chiefs, outstanding. Damian McKenzie, he notices how they jam in from defence out to inside. Oh, the ref's going to check the corner.
He must have been very close. And if he's pulled this in, it is brilliant. Here's the hands, here's McKenzie at the end. Well in now, and we'll get a good shot of it now.
Dan, the ball's been grounded touch and goal, so it's taken dead by Black, so it'll be a 22-metre restart.
10 points for the dive and the effort. Sami Penifina, but they won't get the 5 they were after. And that'll do us, says Armstrong Ravula. Excellent first half, entertaining first half of footy from both sides, but at half-time, it is the Chiefs who lead the Fijian Drua by 24 points to 17. 24-17, and Damian McKenzie poised to get the second 40 underway here at FMG Stadium. Spectacular halftime light show overhead. All the fireworks. They're going to build on their latest victory over the defending champions tonight. Have only won once out of Fiji before that against Moana Pasifika. Round one last season. There's Ratima and the Chiefs. Stable, set piece, beautiful. As Leonard Brown runs onto a lovely pass. Ratima surely out wide, they'll score it, they will. And Teninana Sotoro. Row once more, Dyer, little short pass again. Anton Leonard Brown, Bakwin Tupaya, shifting it on, he's gonna get two. Caleb Boucher. Laying it back for Pini Matawalu. Chiefs defence has been pretty good tonight. They've had plenty of looks. The Drua close to the line. Millimetre just short. Matawalu once more, and the try is scored. Lucky 5-8 to ground. Chiefs 30 out. Searching for a sixth try. As Stevenson puts a little kick through for himself. The bounce will be interesting. Money! Absolute money from Sean Stevenson. And their last run of super matches at FMG. And it could be the Drua who have the final say. And it's come forward. Although there's a card coming here. Looks like it's to the captain, is it?
Norris, I think it is.
It's Ollie Norris. So they'll get the final roll of the dice here, the Drua. a scoot over for the last try of the game. Kenny Matawalu spins it wide, and they are going to score. Kemu Valetini. As Armstrong Ravula can't convert the try. The Chiefs have their third win of the Super Rugby Pacific season. A big one too. They've beaten the Fijian Drua tonight here in Hamilton by 46 points to 29.